I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Flutter is installed and web support is enabled. You enable web with Flutter config enable web, then confirm with Flutter devices. This exposes Chrome or Edge as targets. Once done, create a new project using Flutter Create My App and open it in your IDE of choice. Make sure to switch to the stable channel for fewer breaking changes. You will now run Flutter Run dchrome to boot a live web instance and see immediate hot reload feedback. You now convert app screens into responsive web layouts. Start by using Layout Builder and Media Query for breakpoint-aware rendering, and prefer flexible widgets such as fractionally sized box, and expanded to adapt to 16:9 and other aspect ratios. Once your UI is reactive, wire state management with provider or Flutter block and fetch data using HTTP. Run FlutterPub get to install dependencies. Make sure to test different viewports in the browser, and use DevTools to inspect rendering performance and network calls while iterating. You finish by producing an optimized build. Run Flutter Build Web, release to generate the build/web folder. Deploy those static files to your chosen host or CDN and set correct MIME types and SBA routing fallbacks. Once live, test for cross-browser differences and performance. If things break, open the browser console for errors, clear the cache or service worker, and run Flutter Clean, then rebuild. These steps resolve most stale asset and dependency issues. Finally, monitor logs and iterate based on real user feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.